Alright, look, welcome to my channel. I'm leaving the video that I just did, a little video of some horses on Maui. And now I'm taking the road which leaves the Hui in Makawao, and it goes down through Paia town. So I'm taking basically a different route than I took up here, and I'm taking down the mountain. So this is a little drive down the mountain. So again, a lot of greenery, fields of different things here, ranch land, horses, they farm it. So usually along here, I'm not sure which trees they are. I'm not familiar with my trees, but again, you'll have your, you'll find your jacaranda trees along this road when they're blooming. When they're bloomed, when they've blossomed. I don't believe it's springtime right now, so there isn't any at the moment. But it's a beautiful drive with all the green, with all the purple trees and so forth, and other trees during the springtime, summertime. It's beautiful anyway, but with the flowers blooming, it's really nice. Summertime. So this road just keeps going down the hill. It's not as a steep grade as the other one coming up. So again, you have two routes to come up country. It's still pretty windy for the most part, not too bad. Passing out people's houses and their land and just enjoying the view. This is the Hawaii Job Corps Maui site. Career begins here. Turn on that street. Family services. Farm. Pretty good turn here. And I've drove through Paia town before, going out to Hohokipa. So, Paia town is again a small little town as well. And we'll be, when we come off this road at the bottom of the hill, we'll be right in Hohokipa area, Paia area. This park here on the left, it's just a little park. It's called Rainbow Park. It's not a lot to do there. It's kind of really small, actually. Just a little area to sit and have a picnic or something. I like this building here. This is Makawao Union Church. So I just want to show you that quick. This is a beautiful church. some time for some cars to pass by. But anyway, I didn't film all that church, but it's a really, really nice church as far as the structure and so forth. The building itself is pretty neat. On the right, we got just trees and then fields and fields of empty land. Looks like it's been farmed at a time or two. So you can see in the background, there's the ocean. We are in the middle of the ocean. So we always have ocean around us somewhere. And you can see the view in the background there, the point there. That would be Molokai. Excuse me. Let's see. No, I was wrong about that. And here's a church that isn't Molokai because it's the other side of the island, but the point looked very similar. All right, so here's another little church. That church is a Catholic church. We got some beautiful churches out here if you believe in the Lord Jesus Christ. And across the street is a high school, Paia High School is across the street. It does look like Molokai, but the point over there, I don't think we're that close. I'm trying to, okay, I'm thinking out loud here. So, let's see. So this is the beginning part of coming into Paia town. You have this little village here, starting of it. There's another school, little gym here on the left, and another little school. Christian school. That's a Christian school. Old buildings on the left here look like part of the maybe where they did the sugar cane before. I think they had another area. There's an area in Punene. This is, I think, was close, was part of it. So here's another little Maui yoga massage. So that's what Paia is like, you know, hippie, Rastafari, that kind of stuff. But it's got a lot of galleries, a lot of little shops, a lot of little stores. You know, everything's open like, you know, 10 o'clock or Your restaurants might be open till like midnight, but the shops are not going to be open that late. Some might even close like by 8. Got this fence here on the right with all these surfboards, stand-up paddles out at their house. Coming into town, post office, all these little shops and stuff. Oh, there's the road there. So you got a Paia sushi. Again, Charlie's. I've been through this town before a little bit with you guys on the shops and stuff that are here on both sides of the road. Charlie's restaurant, which is Willie Nelson's restaurant. Cafe Mambo. Pizza flatbread, you know, so forth. Choice Health Bar, Maui Grill, Beachwear, Mermaid Inn, and then on the right is Paia Town Center. That's the Maui Milagros Food Company restaurant on the right. It's got tacos and burritos and nachos and burgers and so forth. You got shaved ice in front, Honolulu Surf Company. You got some bikinis there, Rip Curls, Minute Stop, which is your gas station and convenience stores. So this is another angle of Paia Town. So you got Baldwin and Nalu Place. Basically the road into Paia Town and out of Paia Town. Surf Club. There's a free parking lot here on the left, but it's usually rather packed, so it's hard to get parking there. And then you just got to find parking. Sometimes you can park way over here by this park. Youth and Cultural Center. A lot of people park over this way or along the side of the road here to go into town and to walk into town if you can't find parking. So anyway, that was my drive from the Hui down the mountain towards Paia Town, through Paia Town, and coming out of Paia Town. So anyway, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and we say in Maui, aloha.